Hey everybody, Chris Young for Gander RV and Outdoors, just chilling, hanging off the backside here of this 2020 Forest River Ozark 2700 THX. Now with the Ozarks, the X at the end of all their model numbers means that it's a laminate sidewall travel trailer. And this is one that not only makes a great party deck, toy hauler, but you can only find it at Gander RV and Outdoors. So when I get finished talking about how beautiful this 90 by 75 foot ramp door that has a 1,500 pound carrying capacity on the back for a party deck or 3,000 pound capacity for a ramp, you're gonna say, I gotta come get this one. While we're back here, we rarely get a chance to get this close to the roof of our travel trailers. I love the diamond plate rock guard that they put back here on the back. Got the arched ceilings, which really helps keep the elements, the rain, water, off of this travel trailer. And you got those 3-inch nozzles on each side. That is going to make sure that when that stuff comes off, it's not going to get on you or anybody else. Backup camera ready too. So you got your zippered and magnetic fly guard right here. So if you're doing stuff inside and just kind of hanging out outside, that's a fantastic addition to this toy hauler. We make our way into the garage. 7 feet 9 inches as far as the width, and you're almost 12 feet internal width. You're 11.4 roughly for this. So perfect for a couple of motorcycles, maybe a side-by-side. But the thing that I really like about it, these couches right here, which are great for entertaining, especially after a day at the track. You know, maybe you go down to Daytona, you want to check out the race. This is a great just chill spot. Let the gate down, keep the zipper up so the bugs don't mess with you. You got the table right here, which is removable and lowers down because these come together and make a fantastic bed that 2 people can easily sleep on. Got your mounts down here to make sure that whatever you're bringing in as far as your toys do not go anywhere. Rear entry for this one as well. You got power ports here, USB ports there. Got vents on both sides, plus a TV mount here and plug right there. And the air conditioner is roof vented, so you don't have to worry about having one back here. You do have the ducts that push that 13,500 BTU air conditioner all the way through back here. The other thing that I liked about the 2700 THX, a true pass-through, walk-through bathroom, whatever you want to call it. Plenty of leg room over here on the toilet with the foot flush. Got nice space, but the garage is separated by the bathroom, so you're not going to have those fumes or that sound, the smell coming into the living area. This was a great setup, especially if you're looking for a toy hauler, but also want something for family camping and entertaining. Single basin sink, plenty of countertop space to put all the stuff that you need while traveling. Got the mirror there, vanity here, vanity down here. And we make our way back into the living area. And we're going to see that beautiful, yeah, sorry I had Bob standing in the shower so he could see the rest of this. But did you have enough room up there, headroom, Bob? Absolutely you did, because look at the space and size of this thing. Herringbone pattern in this surround shower. Plenty of room left to right and up and down, thanks to that gorgeous clear skylight that really brings in the natural light inside the camper. Now, the only thing that I did not like about the 2700 THX, no lights over here in the U-shaped dinette. I understand why though. You do have the large bay window in the slide, and since this doubles as a sleeper, it is kind of nice to have this dark and quiet, especially when there's no separation between this and the master bedroom. But I think it would have been nice to at least have some couple of LED push buttons here. Just my take, just my opinion, is still a fantastic space, especially when you got a team of racers that you just want to sit down and talk about the race, or team of hunters, fishers, bikers, hikers, whatever you're doing outside. This is a great conjugating space right here. Table goes down, does become a bed, easily sleep 2 people here in the U-shaped dinette. Move over to the queen size bed, which has been flushed up against the corner. Take a look under here, and you got the pass-through storage. Access right there from the bed in the master. Got wardrobe on one side and a single large shaker style cabinet, giving you some storage space up top. Charging port and USB on both sides. Plus, you have over here on this side you got your nightstand, which is a great spot for a reading light, CPAP machine, whatever you need. Make our way over to the kitchen, and that beautiful shaker style cabinetry is going to continue. Deep basin sink right here with the brushed nickel high-rise faucet. 3-burner Furion stove with the grill type cover, LED accent lights. This is a drawer, not an oven, because you got the big microwave right here. And let's face it, when you're at the race or you're toy hauling, are you eating anything other than Hot Pockets? Really? I'm not. It's probably why I'm in the shape that I am in. Take a look at the fridge. This doubles gas and electric and also has the auto converter. So you've been looking for that entry-level toy hauler. You want something that's economical, classy, has all the amenities of home, space, and style, but is still lightweight and extremely economical. This is a fantastic line of toy haulers for you to check out. The 2700 THX Forest River Ozark. We've seen the inside and the party deck. Let's go check out the outside. Hey everybody, here we are on the outside of the 2020 Forest River Ozark 2700 THX. Laminate toy hauler. Love this model. Got the beautiful white on dark, just like the interior on the inside. Laminate fiberglass all the way over the top. Got your 220-pound LP tanks. Great addition to this power tongue jack. You don't know how handy these are until you have to set one up. Diamond plated rock guard. Come around to the side. This beautiful fiberglass travel trailer with the tinted safety windows all the way around. It has the hinged covered so that if the elements, you're not going to get any of that rust is where I'm getting at when you have those right there. Nice touch. Got the pass-through storage. Spare tire we threw in there because this is a toy hauler. But if you remember, we had access from the master bedroom, which strut supported door right there. Finished off all the way through. Got the laminate down here as well. That is a nice addition, but look how big that is. When you're talking about a toy hauler, whether you're actually going to the race, in the race, this is a great space to store the boxes. If you got hunting gear, store your hunting gear. Got your fishing gear, store your tackle boxes in there. Got your leveling jack right there. We make our way back up to the most important part of any camper. And I say this all the time. Come around and check the info panel. This is where you want to make sure when you talk to your RV specialist at Gander RV and Outdoors, is the rubber meeting the road? The gross vehicle weight for this one, 7,865. Unweight is 3,500, or like, you know, unassisted, all the stuff in it, roughly 3,500. 3,500, 7,500, that's a big difference. What does that mean? Here's what my vehicle can tow. Here's what it can stop, because that's more important. Ask your RV specialist and make sure they go through that with you. It's got the slide over here with that U-shaped dinette that I was a big fan of. Forest River does do a great job at labeling and making sure that operating and owning your camper is easy. Got the gray handle for your gray tank, black handle for your black tank, sewer connections, outlets right there. Black tank flush, very important. City water connection, spray port, because you know when you got that toy hauler, you want to get everything sprayed off and cleaned off. There you go. 30 amp service plug comes out right there. Double axle. Got the Dexter Easy Lube axles right there, and as you can see, they're extra wide through there, which means when you're going down the road, that's going to make the ride not as bumpy. That weight's going to be more evenly distributed throughout the axles. Cable satellite port. This right here is just from the inside of the garage, the vent right there. The party deck door, and people have asked, how heavy are these? How hard are they to put up and put back? They're not that bad. The one thing you got to watch out for, Bob, check this out. Sometimes when you're closing these, the cable will come out. Just make sure that's pushed in, because you won't get a flush shut and you won't be able to get that latch locked and back in place. But spring supported, beautiful back wall of this Ozark Trail 2700 THX that you're only going to find at Gander RV and Outdoors. Where else you need to go anyway? Come back around to the campsite. Got the garage entry right here with the fold-up stairs. If you notice, we have the solid steps on the main entry. Just makes it lighter weight. Plus, when you're coming in and out of the garage, you're pretty much going to be using the main entry anyway. Dual zone speakers on the outside. Got another freshwater connection here. Satellite port there and plug right here. So when you want to do some entertaining, when you get done at the race or you come back from the hunt, come back with the fish, you just want to hang out, put the chairs out here, plug in the boom box, maybe even set up a TV. Great spot for it. Awning spans all the way to the garage with the LED light strip. And your solar charge, if you want to get that set up, there's your plug for it right there. So if you've been looking for a great entry-level toy hauler, maybe you just want to take your golf cart around. Maybe you go to those big campgrounds that are so expansive you have to have a golf cart. Bikes, side-by-sides, cams, whatever you can fit inside that garage, this is a fantastic trailer for you to check out. Great option, especially when you're talking about economical, lightweight, with all the creature comforts of home. Only going to find it right here, Gander RV and Outdoors. 2020 Forest River Ozark 2700 THX. Do me a favor, leave me some comments down below and let me know what you like about this camper. What'd you not like about it? Click like, click subscribe, surprise, give me some comments and let me know, because I love hearing from you. I'm Chris Young from Gander RV and Outdoors. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I hope you enjoyed this. I love these Ozarks. Can't wait to see you soon. And as always, come check out a camper.